Okay, so some new door locks came in. They look to be about the right ones. We're going to have to change that piece over to the one that was on the doors, but the bodies look the same. The other thing is I have a new Insta360 Go 3S, I believe is the model. This is what we're going to be taking on our 2-month cruise. So I'm going to be using my phone and this camera today to see how it videos. So depending on which one comes out, I'll probably splice in video from both. We'll see. So if things are weird, this is a 4K camera. I don't believe I'm using 4K on my phone. I don't think it has 4K. I think it's like a 2 something, 2K 2.7. So let's see if the door locks work. Now this new door lock came with the rubber gasket. I don't know if I need that gasket for the door. I did put it on the latch. So first thing I'm gonna do is switch over the I don't even know what you call those little pieces there, but the part that we need for our Jeep is this one here. All right, so we need, okay, so what we have here is the old lock and the new one, and we want to put them in the same orientation. So that's that. All right, so that is the correct orientation. So when I switch this one here, I want to make sure I put it in the same spot as I got that one. Of course, I'm gonna get hit in the head with the damn door. See if I can record some of this. Okay, I need to secure the door. Okay, 1 second. Okay, let's get that clip off of there. And that's the way that's gotta go. Trying to get this off here without stabbing myself. Oops, there it goes. So the old lock goes there, new lock goes here, and we drop it. Okay. I just happen to have the old clip in my hand, so I don't think it matters. Maybe it does matter. Let's try. Okay. Trying to it's starting to go on. Well, I thought it was. It doesn't. Well, or maybe it's not. So we want it this way. Just trying to make sure there's not a retaining piece here. Oops. There we go. That looks like it's on. Now the next trick is to get it in the door correctly. So I don't know if you can see, but there's a bigger slot down there on the bottom. That's the bigger slot there. This is the arm we need to put back in there. So that looks pretty good. And then we just need, now this could be a problem. Trying to get this in place. With the door latch in the way. Yeah, before, when I took it out, I had this out and I was able just to reach in here. Well, that's what I was afraid of. Shit. Crap. There's something rattling around in the bottom of that door. Alright, so I gotta get this clip in there. Which I got a little shiver. So let's see, the easiest way is probably just to go ahead and take these two screws out, unclip this, and pop this back out of here. Alright, I think that's what we're gonna do. So tool, pop that arm out of there, pop that arm out of there. They can sort of go out of the way for a second. I need to get this clip out of here. Okay. Don't lose that. Now, that's the wrong size. That's wrong size. There we go. Okay. Put that down there next to the clip. I know that sun is terrible. Let's see if that helped at all. if you can see. All right, so I've kind of got it started, but it's crooked, and I can't tell if it's because of the gasket. Okay, that's not working. See if we can get that in there straight this time. Nope, it wants to continuously turn down. Maybe I need to do it without the gasket in there. It's hard to tell. I don't know what this bushing's for. I don't feel anything that it's supposed to be sitting in. Okay. Oops. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how I'm supposed to push on that. There's no, I can't get my hand in there. And if I reach in from the bottom, I can't really. Maybe that's working. Okay, that sort of worked. Kind of. Looks like it's in. So I kind of had to go at an angle and then straighten it out. It appears to be all the way in. Okay. Now we can put this all back together. So okay, that makes life a little easier. And then we'll put this one in. Get our screw. Yeah, I'm not sure how the head mount on the camera works, if it's too jittery, if I'm moving around too much. So this is just so I can try it out. something different. Okay, where did the other screw just go? Okay, be back in a second. Hopefully this is a little better. I just looked over some of the video footage and I was filming all sorts of weird angles. So hopefully this is a little better. I changed some things on the camera. Of course, who knows? All right, so far I've got the lock in place. Okay, started lining this up. Now I'll probably have to line everything back up on the striker because this is all going to be out of whack here in a second. Okay, so that's that. We need to put this one back in. You know, it probably doesn't help that I have bifocals, so I'm always looking up so I can look through the bottom part of my glasses instead of just the top part. Let's see here. This one goes this way and then up, and then we need to clip, and this rod here at the bottom of the door goes in there, and then this guy goes right there. All right, so that should be everything. Yeah, I don't know where. Oh, wait a second. What's that thing? Ah, I think I found out where that little bushing goes. Regretfully, I can't really feel it. There's a little track here at the bottom of the door. Did it go in? Kinda, sorta. I mean, I could always take the camera and stick it in there. Let's see what we're working with. So, if we... Sorry, the door's in the way. I'm trying to work my hand down inside there so I can push that little plastic bushing back in a little keeper. So the rod's in the slot, and then I need to get that plastic piece pushed down somehow. Maybe if I use a screwdriver. Nope. Alright, so let's try this. Not sure. Alright, give me a second. Okay, so I just popped that off my head. Let's see. I think that's it right there. Can't really tell, but yeah, so that's kind of what I'm looking for. Let's see here. Lock that back in. All right, let's worry about that in a second. So the next thing we want to do is to see if the door opens and closes. And we want to see if the key works. So, shit. So, Single-sided key. It definitely does seem to do something. All right, so that should be okay. Door works. Still doesn't lock though. Unless that's lock. Nope. So we're not getting any lock. So there's could be something wrong with that, but at least now we have a key. Everything. So I still got to tighten that striker plate up, or not striker plate, but latch. So let's go ahead and do that. But at least the lock does work. Not really sure where the other issue is. Okay. Oops. All right. So at least it works and it's all back together. So we know that we've got a lock and things are working. I just don't know why the lock itself's not working. But at least this is now going all the way closed. It wasn't doing that before, or open. So that's supposed to be locked, but it's not locking because that's still working. So I'm not sure. Maybe it has something to do with that bushing down there in the bottom. But all right, well, that's going to be all the video today. Hopefully the new camera looks better and I can figure out how to use it so that we can get some more actual work videos in instead of just me explaining videos. Who knows? All right, well, thanks for watching, and we'll hopefully maybe tomorrow I can get out here and do the accessory bar for the Jeep. Tomorrow is Saturday. Yeah, we leave in like 20 days for our 2-month cruise. Okay, so we're back on the phone. Set the camera there. So unlock. Put the key in. And we have lock. So I had to mess around with the latch a little bit, but seems like the lock's working. So playing around with it, I had to bend a few things. I don't know if it was just out of alignment, but now it's all working. So this is really the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and put this cover back on. I'll take that lock apart and put the key in and do the dash. The locks only came in today. I will link a description and where I bought these from Amazon and the part number. Like I said, these locks are for the full doors. I had to kind of look around and match them up based on the body style of the lock. So problem solved. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.